Hello friends and welcome to Pendulum IS, and today we'll be discussing UPSC current affair quiz of 2nd June 2020. So let's start. The first question is, which of the following country is not a part of G7 group? And the options are India, Canada, Japan and Italy. So the correct answer is option A, that is India is not a part of the G7 group. G7 is an intergovernmental organization that was formed in 1975 as an informal forum to discuss global issues. The members of the G7 group are Canada, Germany, France, Italy, Japan, US and UK. Russia joined the group in 1997 and the group was called G8 for several years, but it was expelled in 2014 from the group after the Russia's annexation of Crimea region of Ukraine. The group does not have a fixed headquarters and the decisions taken by the group are non-binding. Recently, US President Donald Trump has proposed to include India, Russia, South Korea and Australia in the group. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Moving to the next question. Recently, US House of Representatives approved a law for sanctions on Chinese officials for oppression of which of the following communities? And the options are Buddhist, Uyghurs, Jews and Jains. So the correct answer is option B, that is Uyghurs. The US House of Representatives has approved a law regarding sanctions on Chinese officials responsible for the oppression of Uyghurs in Xinjiang province of China. The bill has been sent to President for his assent, and the UN estimates that more than 1 million Muslims have been in detained camps in this province. The bill also asks US companies or individuals operating in the region to ensure that their products do not include parts using forced labor. Uyghurs are Turk ethnic group that primarily practice Islam and most Uyghurs are Muslim. Hence, the correct answer is option B. Next question, which of the following is true about the NASA's SpaceX Demo 2 mission? First, SpaceX is the first private company to send human beings into space. Second, Crew Dragon spacecraft carried 2 NASA astronauts. And third, Demo 2 mission is part of NASA's Commercial Crew program. You have to select the correct answer from the codes given below. 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is option B, that is 1, 2 and 3. NASA's SpaceX Demo 2 mission has been successfully launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Falcon 9 rocket, which is made by SpaceX, lifted off Crew Dragon spacecraft carrying 2 NASA astronauts. SpaceX has become the first private company to send humans to space. This launch is significant as for the first time American astronauts have been launched into orbit from US soil since 2011. NASA's SpaceX Demo 2 mission is a part of NASA's Commercial Crew program, and the aim of this program is to reduce the cost and dependency on Russia, as all astronauts are flown to the International Space Station in Russia's Soyuz capsule. So the correct answer is option D. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is true about Cham Temple complex of Vietnam? ASI unearthed a 9th century Shiva Lingam during restoration work of the temple. Second, it is a part of My Son, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So you have to select the correct answer from the codes given below. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer is option C, that is both 1 and 2. The Cham Temple complex of Vietnam is a part of My Son, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Quang Nam province of Vietnam. Recently, the 9th century Shiva Lingam has been unearthed from the Vietnam's Cham Temple by the Archaeological Survey of India (ASI) during the restoration work of the temple. The Cham Temple complex was built during the reign of King Indravarman II in collaboration with Dong Dong Buddhist Monastery. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Moving to the next question, PM Savanidhi scheme launched recently by the central government is related to small business and cottage industry, street vendors, farmers, self-help groups. So the correct answer is option B, that is the scheme is for street vendors. Recently, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs launched the PM Savanidhi scheme, that is Pradhan Mantri Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme. It is a microcredit facility scheme for street vendors under which they can avail a working capital loan of rupees 10,000 which can be repaid in monthly installments over a year. If an individual repays the loan timely and early, then an interest subsidy at the rate of 7% will be credited to his bank account directly on 6 monthly basis. Also, that individual will become eligible for higher amount of loan, that is 20,000, and then so on. Scheduled commercial banks, regional rural banks, small finance banks, cooperative banks, NBFCs, microfinance institutions, MFIs, and self-help group banks can provide loan under this scheme. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. So friends, here we have covered the daily current affair quiz of 2nd June 2020. I hope you like this session. Keep following us, subscribe to our channel Pendulum IAS, and do not forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you so much.